The all-new Toyota Tundra is raising the bar once more with a newly available 3.0-inch lift kit developed by Toyota Racing Development, TRD, that makes the already capable full-size pickup bigger and bolder. This new lift kit is available nationwide as a dealer-installed option, and it's the only Toyota-approved lift kit designed to work with the Toyota Safety Sense (TSS) system. Michael L. Arculai, TRD Principal Engineer, says,
"We have designed this kit to work seamlessly with the Tundra's standard features, retain all Toyota Safety Sense (TSS) functionality, maintain similar stock driving dynamics by creating a kit with a high center of gravity and provide a look and feel customers want with a lift."
Bilstein monotube shocks and TRD red coil springs are tuned by TRD, much like the tried-and-true dealer-installed lift kit available on the Tacoma midsize pickup that debuted last year. The shocks feature digressive pistons to provide low-speed body control as well as exceptional high-speed stability. Forged upper control arms from Detroit-based Roush Performance are equipped up front. These stronger UCAs complement the additional suspension travel given with the lifted suspension.